Welcome. We are in the tiny house and I have actually started cleaning already, as you can see back there. We have boxes. I also have a bunch of boxes outside, completely filled, ready to go for when my husband gets home from work, that he can load up and take to storage. We had a couple issues with my family, and so we're in the process of just packing up so that when our friend comes in January, that we could potentially move into an apartment with her and just not deal with people bothering us over, oh, there's this in the street, or, you know, move the hose a little bit this way so that it drains better, or this tree has had enough water, go put it somewhere else. My parents can't let go of controlling us, and so we're at that point where we're just kind of done. They're immaturely, they are emotionally immature, controlling parents. Yeah. And so, yeah, having immature, emotional parents is extremely hard. They're like borderline narcissistic, so not an easy thing. So right now I'm just cleaning up. This was covered with random stuff behind me, but I'm just cleaning it up very well. I can show you later. I have a bunch of boxes outside that are ready to go. Oh, my friend reacted to something. And yeah, now I'm gonna fold the laundry, put it away, so that we can go through our laundry again, see what we have, what we need, what we don't need, what we can get rid of, etc., etc. I also need breakfast. I might actually do breakfast first. I'm gonna do I really want chicken nuggets with my curly fries. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna make a stewy kind of thing for lunch for my husband when he gets here. Eventually I'm gonna bring my car up and load that up too. Alright, let me go do that. Oh, these are for eggs.